The homeowner's storage water heater was no longer heating water consistently due to a thermostat failure. Additionally, the unit showed significant signs of internal wear and aging, which is typical for a system over 20 years old. Replace it with a newer Joven JSH25 model. The installation has been filed to PUB to ensure safety. Earth bonding. Double check valve. A PUB certificate is issued to the homeowner to certify that the installation complies with regulations and is safe for use, as endorsed by a PUB licensed plumber. Replace to a reliable water heater with professional installation.